So you've built an amazing mobile app that your users are gonna love, but you want to get it into people's hands and let them see just how awesome it is. Well, AdWords helps you do this, putting ads for your app in front of billions of people that use Search, YouTube, Google Play, and more. You can quickly set up an ad campaign to reach the type of users that might be interested in your app. You only pay if the user clicks on that ad, and you can set the budget and acquisition costs that you're comfortable with. But how do you know you're reaching the right users? Maybe some will install your app and forget about it, while others will make it part of their daily lives. Firebase Analytics helps you do this. You can define events that happen in your app that you consider to be important, such as reaching the first level of your game, purchasing a fancy new pair of sunglasses, or returning every morning to check out new products. You can tell AdWords which of these events are most important to you. Then, AdWords will display ads to people who are more likely to complete these important actions in the future. You can also build audiences, which are specific segments of users, and have AdWords display your app to them. For example, imagine that you have a group of users who are very active, have added a product to their cart, but haven't.
In this video, we're going to talk about a couple of new Google AdWords tricks or Google Ads tricks for 2019 and beyond. So guess what? Some of these tips are going to be kind of new ones, and then you're going to have some that are, think about it, sometimes what is old is now new again. Talking about this, it's like, I get a lot of people, they're like, what should we do around Google Ads, sir? Well, there are a couple new things, but it's for the most part, they've been doing a good job of kind of maintaining their search algorithm, which is like what they do in terms of SEO. And then around paid media or paid ads, they've kind of been increasing kind of incrementally in the last couple of years. Google has invested a ton into artificial intelligence. They've gone and bought a couple startups and AI startups, data startups. What I will tell you, the first thing, every company that's going to, that is, they've kind of, searched for family portraits, and then they go to YouTube and they search the same thing as well. Maybe they walk around like a frame store and that person has some type of Google thing, like app installed on their phone, right? So they have all these data points. How in the world are they not going to know that you're looking to take an action, right? They can say like, a top, 5 to 10% of these people are looking to take an action. If they have those data points and you can leverage that, you're gonna make better business decisions. Now, this is not exactly new, but not a lot of people do this. RLSA, so remarketing list for search ads. If somebody visits our website, so our website gets about 200,000 visits a month right now, I only wanna target those people that have visited our website and are typing in a keyword. So a keyword like marketing agency is actually very expensive. We're talking $20 to $30 per click. I don't wanna target everybody that's searching marketing agency. I only want to target people that have visited my website for over 5 minutes and then are looking on Google for marketing agency, okay? That's a lot more powerful. Or if I even want to take it one step further, I'll say, I only want to target people that have visited our case studies page for over 10 minutes in California, specifically only in San Francisco, and I want to target those keywords. That way I'm not spending that much money, and the people that click are a lot more qualified because they know who I am, because they spent more time on my website, because they spent a lot of time on that page as well. Let's not forget about site links. If you are buying ads, let's say for our company, Single Grain, the marketing agency, when people search for Single Grain, I want to occupy more real estate. Even though we rank #1 and #2 in Google, like organically, I want to have the paid result too. I don't only want to have the paid result where it just says Single Grain. I want to have like testimonials. I want to have like services. I want to have like case studies, right? I want to occupy more real estate. So without a shadow of a doubt, people will click on my result and they're not just going to click some other bozo result. The final thing I'll add right now is take your Google Ads, hook it in with your YouTube channel, hook it in with your Google Analytics profile, and you're going to be able to combine that data too, okay? So we talked about how everybody's becoming a data company, but you got to focus more on data too. You got to leverage the data that you have right now and use it to your advantage, because a lot of people aren't doing this stuff right now. So here's your chance to get a leg up on your competition. I'll give you a bonus too. If you're not using any type of like automated, if you're not going like at scale right now using like DoubleClick or Kenshu or whatever, like a lot of large companies do, you can basically say you want to use Google AdWords Editor or Google Ads Editor now, which allows you to edit ads at scale. Those are just a couple things that you can do when it comes to
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम है संदीप और आप देख रहे हैं आपका अपने चैनल परफेक्ट टिप्स। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे गूगल एडवर्ड्स के बारे में। गूगल एडवर्ड्स क्या है? फ्रेंड्स, गूगल एडवर्ड्स एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां से आप अपने वीडियोज़ का प्रमोशन कर सकते हैं। तो आपको वीडियो के प्रमोशन की क्या ज़रूरत है? फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपका यूट्यूब चैनल या आपकी कोई वेबसाइट या आपकी कोई ऐप्स मतलब ऑनलाइन से रिलेटेड अगर आपका कोई प्रोडक्ट न्यू है और आप चाहते हैं कि वो जल्दी से जल्दी ऑडियंस के बीच आ जाए, तो आपको उसका प्रमोशन करना पड़ेगा। तो फ्रेंड्स, इसके लिए आपको गूगल एडवर्ड्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। तो फ्रेंड्स, गूगल एडवर्ड का अकाउंट कैसे बनाते हैं और क्या ये फ्री है? जी हाँ फ्रेंड्स, गूगल एडवर्ड का अकाउंट्स बिल्कुल फ्री है और आप इसे बिल्कुल फ्री में बना सकते हैं। और अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम गूगल एडवर्ड का अकाउंट बनाते हैं तो आपको कुछ मनी वहाँ से क्रेडिट भी होती है, लेकिन एक शर्त पर। आपको 2,000 रुपये तक क्रेडिट हो सकते हैं, लेकिन जब अगर आप उसमें कुछ अमाउंट अपनी तरफ से डिपॉजिट करवाएंगे तो आपके पास 2,000 रुपये भी क्रेडिट हो जाएंगे।